parents, welcome back to HackerKID's parenting series. In today's video, we are going to dive into a fascinating topic. Why should your kids learn generative AI? Whether or not you're tech savvy, you'll soon see how technology is evolving and will empower your kids to not only survive but rule the future. So let's get into today's video. First off, what is generative AI? To put in simple words, generative AI is nothing but a type of artificial intelligence that helps to create content like writing stories, making art, or even composing music. But why should your kids learn about it? Let's see. Number one is preparing for the future. In this ever-evolving job market, skills in AI and machine learning are becoming crucial. By introducing your kids to generative AI, you're setting them up for a future where they are not just users of technology but creators and innovators. This is just a head start for the careers in the future. Number two is enhancing creativity. Generative AI can boost your child's creativity. Imagine them creating stories using AI and even composing unique masterpieces of music and designing stunning visuals. It's not about coding or tech anymore. It is about unlocking a new realm of artistic expression and imagination. Today's world is saturated with a lot of creative pieces. To enhance the creativity, we need to go technologically. Next is problem solving and critical thinking. Introducing your kids to generative AI challenges them to view a problem differently and solve it efficiently. It helps them solve complex problems, and it also challenges them to view a problem differently and segregate into compartments and then solve it. It allows them to understand how a system actually works and think about ethical implications of technology. These skills are more valuable and goes beyond the classroom. Next is building confidence. As your kids start to learn generative AI, they gain confidence in their learning abilities and adapt to technological changes. This self-assurance will empower them in any endeavors they choose to pursue. Next is understanding technology's impact. While your kid is learning about generative AI, they'll also gain insights on how technology is really shaping our world and what our future will look like. Next is the most important one, enhancing learning across subjects. Generative AI tools can help your kid learn other subjects more efficiently. For example, using AI to visualize complex maths problems or creating interactive history projects. The possibilities are endless. This integrated learning approach makes learning more dynamic and effective. Last but not the least, fun and engaging. Learning generative AI can be really fun and engaging. There are a lot of resources and platforms out there which can help your kids to learn generative AI in a very fun and engaging manner. This makes their learning process very easy and efficient. Your kids will also learn new ways to learn and explore technology. Now, why should your kids learn generative AI? It's about preparing them for a future filled with possibilities, nurturing their creativity, and enhancing their essential skills. Let's make learning fun and exciting together. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe for the next parenting series video.